Let's crochet the strawberry potted plant with red yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 6 single crochet for round 1, totally 6 stitches. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop. Pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet, the second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, totally 9 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Insert hook into the next stitch to work 1 single crochet. And insert hook into the same stitch and work another single crochet. 2 single crochet in the same stitch equal 1 increase. Finish 1 sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet. Continue with 1 increase. Finish 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 increase. Now we have finished totally 9 stitches for round 2. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the slip stitch. This is the chain stitch. They are not counted as the needed stitch of each round, so we need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking stitch to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we have finished round 2. For round 3, we need to work 3 sequences of 2 single crochet, 1 increased, totally 12 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Repeat with 1 single crochet. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finished 1 sequence of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. See 4 stitches. Work 2 single crochet. The second single crochet. Continue with 1 increase. Finish 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 2 single crochet first. The second single crochet and 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. For round 4 and round 5, we need to work 12 single crochet each round, totally 12 stitches each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch. The second single crochet. Three. Repeat single crochet to finish 12 single crochet for round 4. Now the last single crochet of round 4. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 4. Repeat 12 single crochet in the same way as round 4 to finish round 5. Finished round 5. Now we can stuff the strawberry with stuffing. When stuffing cotton, add small amounts multiple times to shape the strawberry properly. For round 6, we need to work 6 decrease, totally 6 stitches. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the front loop of the next stitch, and insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch after that. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. Mark this stitch. Repeat decrease to finish 6 decrease for round 6. The second decrease, insert hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through last 2 loops to make 1 decrease. 3. 4. 5. Now the last decrease of round 6. Work 1 slip stitch at the first stitch to fasten off. Finish round 6. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 2-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. If you feel that the strawberry is not full enough, continue stuffing the strawberry with cotton. Now, insert the needle into the front loop of each V-shaped stitch to close the opening. Insert needle into the front loop of the first stitch on left. Thread the yarn tail of strawberry through the yarn needle. Pull the yarn through. Repeat 1 stitch into each stitch to close the opening. While sewing, pull the yarn tail to close the opening. Insert needle into the next stitch and then needle back into the ring left between the stitches. Pull tight to make a knot. And insert the needle inside and pull yarn through somewhere on the other side of the strawberry. Poke the yarn tail back inside the strawberry to hide well. Finished 1 strawberry. We need to crochet the other 4 strawberry in the same way. Now we are going to embroider the strawberry seeds with white yarn. Take out a 20 cm length of white yarn. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle and tie a knot at the yarn tail in the other side. Place the opening of strawberry facing up. We can embroider the seeds randomly according to our preferences. Insert the needle into the random stitch at the right side of the strawberry and bring it out 2 stitches to the left. Draw the yarn through and insert needle into the stitch with 1 stitch below and bring it out 3 stitches to the left. Continue with 1 stitch with 1 stitch below and bring it out 3 stitches to the left. Repeat to embroider the seeds on strawberry. Now insert the needle into the stitch with 1 stitch below and bring it out 1 stitch to the upper left. Repeat with 1 more stitch with 1 stitch above and bring it out to the first stitch where we insert the needle. There are 6 seeds on strawberry. Then tie a knot under the original knot and pull it tight. And insert the needle inside and pull yarn through somewhere on the other side of the strawberry. Poke the knot and yarn tail inside the strawberry to hide well. Finished 1 strawberry with seeds. We need to crochet other 4 strawberry in the same way. Finish the strawberry of the strawberry potted plant.